Welcome to beautiful Windsor, Colorado, home of Aims Community College Windsor Campus. We're standing outside the new Gateway building that opens in just a few weeks. So come join us inside for this wonderful tour of this new 3-story building, along with some great training grounds we'll show you at the end of the tour. I've got David and Ty along with me. They're going to take you inside. Come along.
Well, welcome to the lobby. We came in the front door here on the southeast corner. We got an information desk here as you come into the left. We have this feature stair as you come in. It takes us up to the 100 level, the first floor. And we've got a bunch of wide open lounge area back here. It'll be great. We've got a video wall here that'll allow for some events and just some great hangout space right inside the first door when you walk in. So we just came up the feature stair, and now we're here at the drone lab. And so this is where all the flight operations and the design and the fabrication for the drone program will occur. So now we come inside the design lab. And right here will be some computer stations. That's for 3D design and also data collection that the drone program does a lot. We'll have some soldering stations over here. That's what these arm hoods are for. And a whole lot of really neat technology. We have this Trotec 3D laser cutter here that was just arrived. That'll be installed, and then that'll serve part of the fabrication, as long as they'll have 3D printers, CNC machine, and a lot of other equipment to really support this program. Now we're just a few steps farther to the north on the first floor, and behind me, over my left shoulder, is the new bistro that's coming to this building, which has been a great need on this campus for a number of years, so we're really glad to be able to meet that need now with this project. And then this is the main stair for the building that goes up to the remaining floors.
So here we're in the arrest control room. This is on the north side of the first floor of the academic building. This is going to be used by the police academy, and we're going to be able to do wall-to-wall mats so they can practice their arresting and wrestling and different functions in this room.
All right, so we've just come up the main feature stair. Now we're on the second floor, and this floor consists of classrooms and simulator rooms all down this north wing. And then behind me is the academic offices for the aviation program. Now we've come up the main stair to the third floor, and we're in the learning commons, which is just to your left as you come up the main stairs. We also have all the student services will be located on the third floor as well in the office suite. So that's all your advising, registration, counseling. Those kind of services are here on the third floor. And then there's more classrooms and simulator rooms to the north behind us.
So here we are to the west of the academic building as we have our 4 training yard buildings. This is what we're calling Sim City. We have the search and rescue building, commercial building, an EMS house, and an arrest control house. Let's go check them out. No, we're not in McDonald's or Chick-fil-A Playhouse. This is the search and rescue building for the fire academy. This here is a maze by Draeger Company, and it is the largest maze that Draeger has done in the United States. They will have folks with full gear on, blacked out, running through this maze with all sorts of different reconfigurable obstacles that they have to get through to make it to the end of the maze. So here we are in the EMS house. This is the EMS sim house. And what we've done with these is we have built 3 stories here to where folks will have to come in here and simulate maybe getting somebody on a stretcher that's up in the bathroom or through a bedroom. We have installed different fixtures and stuff in here. And we're gonna bring furniture into these so it looks like a real house, and they'll have to maneuver around all sorts of different stuff to extract the people that they need to get out of here. So here we are in the arrest control house, sim house. This is built out exactly like the EMS house, same kind of function. This is where the academy will be able to come in here and simulate an arrest in any kind of a situation that they would have inside a house, whether it be the basement, main floor, upper floor, or a garage as well. So here we are in the commercial building is what we're calling this one. And this is going to be kind of a mixed bag of uses from all the different departments. And what they call this in the fire industry is a taxpayer building. So we'll be able to do the first floor set up as a bank or a convenience store, grocery store, kind of a setup with apartments on the second floor. So it gives a lot more challenges for the fire department on putting out fires and extracting people from these areas.
All right, so now we've come all the way to the very west end of the training yard. We're on what's called the LRP, which is the UAS launch and recovery pad. So you can see the markings on the ground here behind me. This is for the drone program to do takeoffs and landing.
So thank you, Ty and David, for the great tour of not only the training grounds, but our new Gateway building, soon to open spring semester of 2024. See you soon.